we do?
Try drawing fire with my knife.
Do what?
Just trust me.
Drawing fire!
Between the eyes.
До свидания.
Between the eyes.
Took them out. Let's go. Win.
Between the eyes.
Shoot.
I've got your back.
Between the eyes.
Get up, Misha. We have to move.
Between the eyes.
Сволочь. Get them off me,
Watch
Misha!
out! Everyone! Soldiers are coming!
Snipers down!
Schmeißen eine Granate! Bewegung! Einverstanden! Enemies retreating! Get on the move! Immer weiter vor! Found an opening! I'm pushing out!
Between the eyes. Between the eyes.
More incoming!
Value mine!
Between the eyes.
Only room for one sniper in Stalingrad.
Holy shit, Bolida, Jägermorder! On the right! He's easy, keep going! He's coming for you! They're moving!
Is he finally fucking dead?
Guess so. They're much tougher than I thought.
No, you didn't fight him.
I help. Run! Let's get out of this field. Well, we should be safe for now. 2 Jägermorders. You must have been worried.
It means we're getting close.
Let's keep moving then. Look, Steiner's vehicle.
I can't shoot him while he's in there.
Let's try to get closer.
I can't wait to put a bullet through Steiner's head.
Wait. This is bad, Polina. We can't strike from here. There's too many of them. Take a look.
Shit. Steiner.
There, on the right.
Bastard.
He might be Steiner's superior. Sniper, get down! Ah! You okay?
Misha!
It's not as bad as it looks.
Just hold still and let me check.
That doesn't sound good.
It's not.
We don't have time for this, Strocha. You hear me?
I need to get you somewhere safe to patch you up. You're not going to die here. Up! Let's move! I'm getting you to the post office. We'll be safe there. Steady your breathing. I have you! Lean on me! I've got you! Keep pressure on the wound! Shit!
Grenade!
Hold on to me! Stay with me, Misha!
They're closing in!
We're almost there!
Tötet sie! Schnell!
Shit! Rockets!
We won't make it!
Shut your mouth! I have you!
Watch out!
Misha!
Where? Stop it. Don't let him take Stalin.
This knife isn't going to get us out of here. Look, we need to...
Finish. Please. For all of us.
No, you're delirious. Come on, we have to move.
Alina, go!
No! You cover the opening. I go out and flank them.
There is no time. Go. I will slow them down.
Durachok.
Сплячка. Now go. It's all right. Go!
Ausschwärmen! Ich darf das Gebäude des Lebens verlassen! Alle Ausgänge sichern! Weiter sagen! Los! Diese Tasche sichern!
Okay, Bewegung! Ziel anvisieren! Es ist still! Garten gesichert! Sie stürzen runter!
Greife den Feind an!
Lady Nightingale,
Das Foyer sichern!
I know you are here somewhere.
Straßenseite!
Bastard.
You will not get away this time, little bird.
Ich muss nachdenken, Gottverdammt!
Bin ich lange aus!
Steiner gehört! Los jetzt! Bewegung! Setzt ihr euch die Kehle auf. Was für eine Scharfschützenschutz und Nahkampf? Dachte, man hätte es erfunden, um Rekrutenangst zu machen. Oh nein, sie hat bei der Belagerung Stalingrads meinen Leutnant ermordet. Ja, bist du still? Sie versteckt sich vielleicht in der Ritzen. Wie eine kleine Ratte. Macht er doch ihre Schritte ruhig.
Rotten hell.
Lass mich mal einfallen. Was machen wir, wenn wir sie finden? Einer will sie tot oder lebendig? Dann lieber tot. Drückt auf die Tür, nur für den Fall. Sie muss hier irgendwo sein.
Sweet dreams. Fucking Nazi.
Das ist das Gebäude! Los! Los! Los!
Jawohl! Die entkommt uns nicht. Wir werden sie finden. Bewegung! Bewegung!
Sie kann nirgendwo hin. Weiter suchen! out your rifle, Lady Nightingale. You are exactly where I want you. Pathetic girl. You will not escape Stalingrad alive. You cannot hide forever, little bird. Do you wish to kill me, Paulina? You are welcome to try. You won't get away! Poor little nerd wanting to... Of course. Dead. That's why you're so angry. You think I'm the reason for all your troubles? Then really, you won't get away! You failed to keep them alive. Choke on the fruit of your failures! No one will remember that. Oh, fucking bitch!
You have nowhere left to run, Steiner! You fucking Nazis! We'll all die here in Stalingrad! You took everything from me! Now it's my turn!
You won't find satisfaction in this. It won't end with me. We'll destroy you all.
You won't be doing anything.
Not me.
Idiota! Fascistkaya! Свинья! All you've left me is this knife.
I could help you.
Incredible. You're all the same. I've killed more of you than I can count. And you all spout the same pathetic bullshit. Freisinger. Is he supposed to scare me? Another piece of fascist filth. Don't worry. I'll hunt him down You thought you'd take my city and crush my people. You tried to break me, but you failed. You created Lady Nightingale. And now, she's destroyed you.
Sie ziehen Leine! Lass nicht nachlassen! Ich muss nachlassen! Schluss! Hier hat's einen erwischt! Wo sind sie? Sie haben uns gleich!
The infamous Lady Nightingale brought Stalingrad back from the brink. Her actions inspired the Russians to take back their city and go on the offensive. Polina changed the course of the war for the Allies and her people. With that reputation, it was only a matter of time before we found her.